going on, everyone? Got a 2022 Dodge Ram key fob here. Today I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace the battery. Alright, so if we look at the right side of the key fob here, there's a button. We're going to push and hold down with our thumb, hold it down, and that'll allow you to remove the emergency key. This just opens the door. Now we're going to remove this back panel here, and the way we're going to do that, we're going to use a small flathead screwdriver. And if we look right here, there's a small slot just for your screwdriver. We're going to put it in here. It's not going to go in very far. We're going to give it a twist. Okay, and that twisting motion kind of opens up the back panel. Okay, now you're going to pry on it a little bit, and you see how the back panel's coming off. Now this remote feels pretty fragile. I want to say the plastic feels pretty fragile, so be real careful when you go to the other side. There's not really a slot here, but put your screwdriver in and work it up and off. Okay, you really don't want to break these off. It feels like this could one day get real brittle and just snap off if you pry it too hard the wrong way. You can see here, here's the battery, and I'm gonna put my thumb on the front of it, and we're gonna pull it down, and that's gonna give me enough to put my screwdriver here on the top of it and just pry the battery out. Okay, now it sits on a set of contacts that are kind of spring-loaded down here. When we push on the battery, it can move. All right, so the battery size is a CR2450, the positive sign facing out towards us. And I'm going to leave a link down in the description box for a new battery if you need one. It's an Amazon link, so check that out if you need one. But we're going to put it in just like this, facing out positive, and you get your panel, back panel, and we're going to stick it on the top first. So stick it on top first and work your way down, make sure all the corners are in, and then get your emergency key, and if it locks in, you're all done. Well, I hope the video was quick and straightforward. If you thought it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me and let me know how I'm doing in the comment section if you could, and I hope to see you again in another Ram video.